Hello gorgeous, here are my travel essentials since it is the holiday season, as in the summer holiday season, everyone is going on vacation. These are the travel essentials that nobody talks about that is not packing cubes. I think packing cubes are ridiculous. This packable large garment bag from Calpac is something that you can have in your car and something that you can have in your actual luggage. So how I like to pack sometimes, depending on the trip, especially if I'm going somewhere nice, is by having multiple outfits or dresses pre-steamed or pre-ironed, depending on what I'm wearing, and then having multiple hangers in one garment bag and simply folding it. Or you can have one item, or you can have one or two items if you know you're gonna go somewhere smart in the evening after work, after office, and getting drinks or dinner, and you can change, have an extra pair of shoes in there, have some jewelry, have some perfume and accessories that you can zip into this packable garment bag. So I like to have a backup plan. You guys know me, I like to be extra prepared. I really love this mauve color because this is one of the classics that Calpac has, and you know, I have their entire rose gold collection that goes with all the mauve accoutrement. Next is this mini carry-on luggage. So I purchased this recently in the silver with a matching carry-on, which I'll get into in a bit, but I had the mini carry-on from the other design that I will show you that has more colors, and I have it specifically in this pink sand color. I still have it. I haven't given it away or sold it or donated it or figured out what to do with it exactly. But I like that there are more colors and more options. The only thing I didn't like about the original design that I got is it has black trim, but that's good for scratches. It covers it up, fits 2 weeks worth of stuff. That's 3 pairs of heels that I went through London, different parts of Europe and the US, where I fit 3 pairs of heels because we had to go somewhere smart for the evening. I was wearing a smart pair of flats so that I could walk around in, and I packed the big bulky shoes in the carry-on. You can get a lot packed into this carry-on if you pack wisely. Don't underestimate the power of the space and thinking efficiently when you pack. And I'm a very light packer just in general, well, especially if I'm trying to take outfits. I know I'm more guaranteed to take more photos of outfits or remember them the less outfits I take. If you want guaranteed outfit pictures, pack less and use this mini carry-on. I love that it's got the 4 wheels that you can walk without sweating through the airport because you have a lot of walking to do sometimes, and all of a sudden you're rushed out of nowhere because last minute changes. This silver I got to match with my husband so that he also has the option to use this, and I got him the carry-on. So this is the silver version. I know that everyone has silver, but I think it's so timeless. Black, everyone has black, and black looks too not me. It has a light wardrobe. He doesn't have black. He has a lot more charcoals, browns, warm tones, greens. I like this for him. I think it matches more of his aesthetic, and I think it matches mine, so that we can also use them unisexually. So alternatively, we can borrow them if we need them. And the reason that I got this pink luggage, this new silver one, is because my cat peed in the other one, in the carry-on. I have the large carry-on, so there's a 2-piece set. You can actually get large set with the carry-on, and I think that's genius, especially if you have a big trip. You can just disperse and distribute the luggage amongst your family, whomever you're going on the trip with, or you can use them yourself. Have a check-in, have a carry-on, because you never know what can happen. I don't like having check-ins because I've had my luggage lost. I've had people steal items from me, so that's why I like the mini carry-on. It literally fits underneath your seat in front of you if you fly economy, as I do. So next is this fold-out garment weekend bag. This is from Katie Loxton. You have the option to personalize it for 99 British pounds. So it's a fold-out garment weekend bag, and it comes with an off-white, light taupe, and black. I like the light taupe because it's not in my color season. It makes me look like I vanished, but I think that it looks really good for black outfits, for light outfits. It matches with absolutely everything, goes from day to night easily. Black will make it very warm in case it's in the summer, it's too hot. White gets dirty easily. However, I love the off-white. I think it's stunning. It goes with everything in my outfit. It goes with my entire look. My airport look is always laxed, but luxed. I don't know how else to say it, but white makes everything look expensive, especially if you can keep it clean. But the problem is, it's not real leather. Pebble vegan leather design with recycled lining. So just a heads up. And I love the idea of it being a garment bag and you just roll it. From what I can see, you can have inserts on the sides. So I would use this for a weekend trip, or have a carry-on or check-in luggage that accompanies you on your long trip, and then this is where you keep all the smart outfits. So in case your items don't make it on the trip with you, say if you have check-in luggage, then you have this and you have all your smart items with you. You can pack some shoes, small toiletries in the bag. Next is this tech organizer. Nobody ever talks about this because we just shove tech in either you have a backpack with a bunch of pockets and compartments, which is really annoying, or a bag with a pouch of loose wires. It's a pain in the neck. I'm really excited because this has so many different colors. I have one and I use this for work almost every day, especially when I was going into the office. There are so many more colors now. I use this to death. It has made me money, if anything. They came out with this oatmeal color that's a bit like a tawny light nude, blue. I love all the flowers. I love all the colors of these. Cannot praise this enough. It fits so much, and you can pack things on the netted mesh outside of the actual zip bag, and you can put your AirPods, your phone charger, you can put lip balm, you can use it as a proper bag. I personally strictly use it for tech products. So if I have my phone charger, wires, it keeps you so organized. Everything's easy to see. I haven't seen a really good jewelry solution that's small and compact until I came across this little travel jewelry organizer. There are different types. I really like the stone one, the stone and the blush. The blush is really cute, and there are different sizes and different types. So this one I like because it rolls out and you can really utilize the space without your things jangling around. That's my problem when I have jewelry in a carry-on, is that I'll put it in the zipper, but then the zipper is like this wide and then it jangles around, pieces go missing, it gets damaged, something happens to it. I like that it's small, compact, and it really fits so much so that, say for example, I have hoop earrings, your hoop earrings don't go loose all everywhere. Clear cosmetics case, there are different sizes for this. There's small, I believe there's a medium, and yeah, there's a large also. I like this because you can see your items right away, and it comes in so many colors. Oh my gosh. I really like the bronze for some reason. I'm not really a bronze person, but they added so many colors, and a lot of things are on sale on Calpac right now, which is really annoying because I paid full price for the luggage and I got it recently. This is genius because it's easy to clean. You can see all your items right away, what you packed. That is ideal when you're packing. You want to be organized, you want to be quick, you want to be efficient, top stuff. However, I don't like the look of the plastic. It kind of cheapens the look. I know it fits a lot of stuff. What I prefer is a train case. Leatherology, this website is awesome. All things leather for your office, home, for your bags. Got different styles of leather, so it's croc embossed, which is my absolute favorite from their company. It looks so expensive, it looks so chic, it looks pristine, and there are different sizes. This is the medium train case that fits all my stuff. I like that. You can put your toiletries in here, your makeup. What else is there? I don't know. I think that's it. Then there's the white that they recently came out with. I wish they had a white croc or like a taupe croc, because I know they have a taupe croc. You should check out all their items. Premium proper leather, full grain Italian leather, minimal grain, super soft to the touch, leather monograms beautifully. You can personalize your items on this website. I really love the black croc. There's something about it. Next is this frequent flyer travel set made of silk from Slip. I absolutely love all things Slip. I have this. Mine is in pink. It's like a rose gold metallic pink. I've used it multiple times on trips. I've used the mask, the eye mask, and I've used the actual face mask because of trips requiring you to have. So this has saved my neck, and I take this on road trips too. Even if it's just like a 2-hour trip, it's really relaxing when you need to sleep in the car and lay your seat back. This is a lifesaver. This is a no-brainer when I'm taking a road trip. This is a no-brainer when I'm doing a really long haul flight. A must-have if you're a person who designates time to traveling. And then this makeup mirror that has a light is battery powered, and you can also charge it. I've used this. You never know how the lighting is going to be when you travel somewhere. Even if it's a luxury hotel, the lighting might not be ideal for getting ready, or someone else might be hogging the bathroom. That's happened to me before. You want them to get ready at the same time. So you don't want to take up all the space. And depending on the space that you have, if it's a tiny Airbnb, you never know where you are. So say for example, in Europe, there is no sunlight ever. You need all the light you can get. You can be right by a window and it's super cloudy and you can't see your makeup properly. This has been a lifesaver. There are different sizes. Check it out. Everything here is linked below, by the way. This is the Harry Josh Tools collection, and this is on the Goop website. They have a cordless ceramic styling iron for a flattening iron, and then a 1-inch curling wand. I'm waiting for a 2-inch to come out, but I think 1-inch is okay. It probably requires more power. It's rechargeable, and it even comes with this little travel pouch / heat mat, so you can put your heat tools down. It doesn't cause problems. It doesn't burn. I've had that where I stayed somewhere and then I burned the sink and I felt awful. There's a version with the set where it has the stand that you can charge things in, and then it also has alternate batteries so that when you're in the midst of doing your hair, you can just switch out the battery and you're good to go, which is crazy. And the only thing is, it's really expensive, $325. I'm assuming that's with a charger. It comes with the charging a plug. You need batteries, you need the stand, moving parts. So I found another option from Sally Beauty, and it's the Luxe brand, Luxe Solutions by Ion cordless curling iron. I curl my hair a lot, and especially if I'm traveling and I want to take pictures, I'm going to want to make the pictures, the memories last and know that I had good hair. So this is something to consider. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If there are any travel essentials that you have that I have not mentioned here. Sign up for weekly outfit ideas at giagricher.com/inspo. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.